guys, it's Henry from IFE. So I just want to recap on two things as the year comes to an end. One is what I did in 2020 from a fund and a stock perspective, and the other is what I'm looking for in 2021 and how my current stock and fund portfolio is looking as of 2021. So first, to recap on what I did in the markets personally in 2020. So start of the year I was holding ESMP, Fundsmith, Morgan Stanley Global Opportunity, and I was holding a bit in cash. As come March, we saw a dip in the S&P 500. I was holding the iShares S&P 500 ETF. I topped up that, and then when it had a 10% gain, albeit I think it was May time, I sold out again of the S&P when it got a 10% gain. Also, one that I went into March time was US Oil LP. Bought that at $9. Still holding a bit of it, although sold off the majority. I sold off 50% when it went to double the money to 18, now at around 36, and then sold a bit more out when it got to $27 per barrel, per share. On that, it's very risky. So for those who don't understand ETFs, it doesn't exactly track the index. It aims to track it, but it's also done for a lot of contracts, so the ETF can collapse if no one wants these forward contracts. So before you get into any ETFs, make sure you understand the kind of risks involved in it, because there was a risk at the time that the ETF could collapse, so it was a risky move in that. Another one is Mexico, that I've talked about before. I saw it as undervalued. I've got in that in July, August time. It's just sold out recently in December at a 25% profit. Kept in the Morgan Stanley Opportunity Fund. That's up around 47% year to date, obviously driven by the US tech drivers. Not the best performing tech stock. Bell & Guilford are up. Some of their American fund and global growth funds. Americans up 107. And the global grows up 67. It is holding Tesla as the number one, so that's one of the reasons for that, but I'm pretty happy with that. And the kind of stable ones being Fundsmith, that's I think it's sort of 16% there or thereabouts year to date, without that's not bad. My stock portfolio, so what have I got for 2021? I've done a few videos on what I'm looking for in 2021, how I think the market. I'm actually quite bearish about the market for over Q1 in 2021, holding a bit of cash positions because the new strain of Corona and how that may play out with a market that is essentially kind of brought up by heavy weighted tech stocks and stimulus packages and company share buyback. But saying that, my stock portfolio talks about AstraZeneca quite a bit in the blogs. I'm holding that presently. In the long-term hold, Microsoft. A lot of people say it's overvalued, it's dead. It's currently producing a new Sage that is the UK's biggest tech company every month, so that's what I'm holding. The other ones we'll go into in a bit more detail in another video are TAL Education, Chinese education firm. Believe that to be a good hold, and ServiceNow are in my stock portfolio right now. So I'll keep you updated on them throughout the year, how it's going. If I make any changes to that's what I'm currently holding in my portfolio now. If you do have any questions or want any information, feel free to get in touch at info@investmentforexperts.com. Thanks guys.